Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's August 20th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. We're going to keep this short and sweet today, as there's no economic news on the calendar today, and there won't be anything tomorrow. This week will be primarily items such as existing home sales and new home sales. We'll have the Fed minutes coming out, and then we'll also have on Friday will be a speech by Jerome Powell and at Jackson Hole, Wyoming. So those will be the highlights for this week. But otherwise, a relatively slow week this week in terms of economic data here. Now, today the stock market is up. We're kind of ending near the second quarter. We got most of the big ones out of the way in terms of second quarter results, corporate earnings reports. So we're kind of getting past that. Today we got a little optimism coming in. Looks like they're making a little headway for between China and the U.S. on the trade negotiations. They're hoping that they'll map out a plan so when President Xi as well as President Trump meet in November, that they'll have something in place in terms of negotiations, an agreement coming ahead. So there's a little optimism in this front here. Also, of course, investors are kind of keeping an eye on what's going on in Turkey with their lira and everything like that. So we'll have to kind of wait and see as to how that plays out. And also, looks like it's spilling into Venezuela. Looks like Venezuela is having some issues with their currency. Basically, is having some issues as well. So look for some maybe possible news on Venezuela in terms of their currency as well. Let's take a look here at see how the bond market is playing out. Bond market is breaking above this, so we may have a little luck here breaking above the 100-day moving average, which has kind of kept us in check for the past year. And now today we're kind of breaking. It looks pretty convincing, and if we can keep this way. The next level will be this Fibonacci level at the 102. We're currently up about 14 basis points, which translates to better pricing today. So we'll have better interest rates today, which is obviously good news, what everybody likes to hear, especially those who are refinancing or purchasing, which rates have improved. So good news right there. So let's see how the Treasury looks. Treasury's down. We're down to about 2.83. We're approaching this here, this level here, this Fibonacci, which will be a floor of support for it. So we don't got that much more room to go in this terms as where you can go. So again, it'll be kind of wait and see if we're able to break above that Fibonacci level, which if we do, if we break above this, we got a long ways to go until we hit this double layer of the next Fibonacci level as well as the 200-day moving average. So we got a lot of space in between there to play with. But if we have that, not sure to say. And again, we don't know if this will be a strong floor of support here or not, as the next level will be this 200-day moving average here as well for the treasuries here. All right, so good news is the interest rates got some improvement in our interest rates today, which is obviously the good news here. If you guys want to get more data, just come over to Twitter. Again, today is kind of a quiet day. Don't expect a lot to happen, but you never know. Geopolitical things pop up all the time that could alter the markets. And I do put the market close. So if you want to get more data, just come over to Twitter. You can follow me at Mike Bjork on Twitter and get your latest. Otherwise, have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.